Ryan from Herb's Garage and Collision Center and Alpha Truck Works checking in to show you guys some new accessories that we're able to offer. Today I'm sitting on the back tailgate of my truck. I'm going to show you one of my favorite accessories. It's the UnderCover ToolBox. There's a lot of folks out there who camp, they haul a lot of stuff, a lot of contractors that need that middle of their bed to be open to haul wood and different materials. Well, sometimes you need to keep your tools secure, safe, and organized as well. This toolbox helps you do that. What we've got here is we've got the UnderCover toolbox that sits on either side of your truck bed. It tucks away nice over top of the wheel well and keeps the middle open so you don't have to worry about certain things getting in the way. You may not be able to have a toolbox in the front or a toolbox in the rear that would obstruct you being able to haul. The toolbox has a really unique design. You pull a lever and it swings out. It's actually attached to the side of your truck so you can get in it. It has a nice lock on the top here where you can open it up. You can keep your valuables secured inside of here. Like me, we go camping, so a lot of times we'll either put the kids' bikes in. A lot of times we'll end up maybe carrying a cooler or so, things that we can't necessarily get in our camper. So it's really nice to have the center of the truck open to be able to easily access all of the other things that we do. Also, working on the farm, a lot of the times we're carrying around different things to be able to get the job done. So Ryan checking in from Herb's Garage and Alpha Truck Works. If you want to pick one of these bad boys up, they each range from anywhere between $150 to $200 a piece installed. We'd like to take care of that for you, and we can get you rolling. Thanks.